Hey, this is James with another Ruby tutorial. Today we're going to be covering how to compare strings in a way that is case insensitive or not sensitive to what case it's in. So let's get started. Of course, the file. I'm just going to give it the same name I usually do for these tutorials. Oops. Open with whatever text editor you want. I use Notepad++. All right, so first things first, we want to do an if, so we can make this thing conditional, so it will run something conditionally. All right, so let's get one string in there. We'll make this one lowercase. Then we want to call a string method on it by putting a dot after it. And the string method we want is casecmp. Not SMP. CMP. I pressed something wrong. Now, the string we want to compare it to will be in here. All right. Now we got capitals in one, but none in the other. So this will go if it's case insensitive. The else will go if it is not. So let's do what is not case sensitive. Sensitive. And then the other one is just get rid of the not in that. So just copy, paste, Control S to save. And so you can actually see what the output is. Wait equals gets. Don't forget the spaces, otherwise it won't work right. All right, so now let's run it. It is not case sensitive. So now you know how to compare strings in a way that's not case sensitive. You can use this anywhere there's a comparison pretty much. So like for loops, while loops, if statements, you get the idea. Anyways, bye, and don't get eaten.